Hi guys, welcome back. So FamilySearch now has this new section called FamilySearch Discovery. Today we will be talking about the Ancestry Challenge. But if you want to learn about each one of these other sections, there'll be links to those videos in the description box below. So I only know of one way to get to this section on FamilySearch, and that is actually just typing the /discovery after FamilySearch.org. But if you guys know of a different way, please comment below. I would love to learn. But for right now, that's the only way I know how to get here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections here in the Discovery section. So like I said earlier, today I will be talking about the Ancestry Challenge. This is where you can take a quiz to see how well you know your ancestors' faces. So I'll just show you guys what it's like. So let's click on Ancestry Challenge. So this is what it looks like. At the top it says, keep the memories of your ancestors alive. Which ancestor is this? And then we will be doing 10 ancestors and guessing which ancestor is who. So there's a picture of this ancestor, and then we have names listed down below. Then we click on the name that we think goes to this ancestor. So I actually know it's this one. So I'm going to guess this one. Scroll down so you can see a little better. And it is saying you're correct. Then it lists the ancestor's name, your relationship to them. So in this case, it's my husband's second great grandmother. And then you can click right here and click view your relationship. Then this pop-up will come up and it will show you your relation to that ancestor. Now you can either click the arrow to your right or the arrow to your left and go to the next photo. Actually, I don't know if I can go to the arrow to the left. Oh, I can. So now once again we have a picture of an ancestor and it's asking who this ancestor is. I know it's this one. It says correct. Then I'm going to click the right and it will once again pull up this ancestor again. You just go through and you answer the best you can for all the ancestors' names. I'll hurry and go through and show you guys what this little game's like. I'm actually going to hurry and show you guys what it will be like to guess wrong. Or I'm going to try to guess wrong. Just so you guys know what that looks like. So here's a picture of an ancestor. Once again, listed names. I'm going to guess this one because I'm pretty sure this is not who it is. Oh, see? There we go. So now it is marked that as red, saying that that was the wrong answer. Then it's marked the right answer as green and says, actually this photo is of so-and-so, and it is your second great-grandmother. That's what it'll look like if you got it wrong. So once you've gone through 10 out of 10 pictures here on the game, you're going to hit either one of the arrows and go next. Then it'll show you what your score is. So I scored 9 out of 10 just because I had to show you guys what it would look like if you got an answer wrong. Also, I really wasn't sure on that one. Then you also have a couple options. You can view your family tree here on FamilySearch. Or you can share on Facebook. You can play again. Or view more photos of your ancestors. And that's pretty much this game here on FamilySearch on helping you to get to know your ancestors or the faces of your ancestors. I think this is a cool little fun game that your kids can play during sacrament, or if you want to help them or you have little ones who want to help do family history work, you can have them play this little game to help them know who their ancestors are and what they look like, how they're related to the people in those photos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any suggestions on what I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you all have a beautiful week. Bye!